the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGC NET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now, while coming to the present content of the video, here the assistant professor vacancies are announced from the deemed to be university, that is Gujarat Vidyapeeth Ahmedabad. So from this deemed to be universities, the walk-in interviews or the walk-in interview notification is announced. So the Gujarat Vidyapeeth was founded by the Mahatma Gandhi in 1920 and is deemed to be university since 1963. The objectives of the Vidyapeeth are to impact higher education for preparing grassroots workers. And here you can see the name of the post, assistant professor on the contract basis. Coming to the subjects, social work and English, physical education, home science and food technology, microbiology and the chemistry. So for the first three subjects, the walk-in interview is on 5th August 2020. And here the number of posts based upon the caste category also mentioned. One post for the OBC and one for the unreserved category. Coming to the English, one for the SC and one for the OBC, and in physical education, one for the unreserved candidates. So coming to the first category, the remuneration is 45,000 rupees per month. It is the fixed one. And for the English and physical education, 50,000 rupees per month. And for the walk-in interview, the time of reporting on the 5th August is 11 a.m. for the social work and 12:30 p.m. for the English and 2:30 p.m. for the physical education. And here the place is Central Office, Gujarat Vidyapeeth Ahmedabad. Coming to the home science, microbiology and chemistry, the date of walk-in interview is on 6th August 2020. And here the remuneration is 50,000 rupees per month. It is a fixed one. And the timings are 11 a.m. for the home science, 12:30 p.m. for the microbiology and 2:30 p.m. for the chemistry. And coming to the qualifications, as assistant professor, here they mentioned that master's degree with 50% of marks or its equivalent in the particular department or the subject. So apart from this one, the candidate must qualify the UGC NET or SLET or SET must be there. So if the candidate is not having the NET, SLET or SET, then the candidate must have the PhD degree as per the given regulations. Fine. So these are all the details regarding the number of posts and the walk-in interview dates and the time and the venue and the qualifications. Right. So coming to the, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to its official website, here you can check that the application form is given here. Okay, so whatever the PDF I shown you right now, if you click on this assistant professor ad hoc or contract basis, then you will be directed to that PDF. And now if you want to get the application form in English, then click on that one. So it is application form that you have to fill up. Okay, so fill up this application form and take this application form at the time of going to the interview. Fine. So just to go through all these details, whatever the things they are given. Okay, so I'll go through all these details in clear. Anyhow, I'm providing this link in the description box of this video. So for more accurate and the clear details, go through that link. And here the few terms and conditions of recruitment is also given. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.